My name is Songmi Jang, and I'm from South Korea.
My name is Maria Molina. I'm from Caracas, Venezuela.
The reason why I chose Civil Engineering Technology course, someone who wants to get a job right away, taking shorter course of civil engineering is much more beneficial.
The first things we do when we have a new project is survey the ground. From these points, we insert them into AutoCAD and we're able to create a 3D model of the ground.
Majority of work is done with the AutoCAD or Civil 3D application.
With AutoCAD, we're able to create a corridor which represents how the road is going to look after construction. What I really like about my job is that I get to be part of the growth of Prince George. It amazed me how a project starts from just a simple surface and develops into a subdivision, and once it's complete, I can drive in and say, I designed this.